Hey guys, so we have a unboxing and install and review on this unit from LuvMe Hair. I always love working with them because the way that they package their items shows that they really care about their customers. So presentation is always everything to me, and look at that. So this is a closure unit. This is how she looks, and that's how the inside cap construction looks. This is gonna be so easy to style.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, what you do, that's what I'm mine. Spend my life with you, I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.
Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? This is LuvMe Hair's 5x5 Deep Wave Undetectable Invisible Lace Closure Wig. You can wear this wig glueless because the elastic band that's sewed in this unit, it actually is adjustable and it works. Very few companies grasp the glueless method correctly, and this by far is one of those companies. So if you don't like to adhere your wig and do all the extra stuff that you see me doing, you definitely don't have to. So my makeup's did. I don't know if, I think I'm gonna add baby hair. I want to comb it out so you guys could see how it looks without product, and then I think I'm going to add product to it. I think we'll see, because I do like how this hair looks without any product, because it's giving me like, you know, see how it like fluffs out. I like big hair, y'all know that. If you guys are familiar with my channel, y'all know I live for some big curly hair. So I'm gonna use my concealer in the shade Fawn to define the part, but I don't know, like, part of me wants to do a flip over method, but we're gonna move and see how I like it in the middle. But this lace is impeccable. So I had the luxury of wearing this unit for 5 days straight, so I can give you guys a full-on review. This wig, everything. It's low maintenance. As you guys can see, you can wear it fluffed out and it will look gorgeous. So you don't have to put product in his hair if you don't want to, but you can add a little bit of water and some product and tame those waves down, and it just gives you like this flawless vacation ready look. I can see myself wearing this wig like throughout the summertime. Like I said, on a vacation, it's definitely giving all the beach vibes that it needs to give. Okay, love this texture. I've been looking for a texture like this for a while now. It's so pretty. The HD lace on this unit, hands down. Besides the texture, the lace is the star of the show. The texture is runner up though, because this texture is everything. I wish I would have went back and added a clip of how it looked when I did a flip over method. It was so gorgeous. 10 out of 10 on this wig. The maintenance in the lace and the texture is giving. Okay, so if you guys are interested in making a purchase from LuvMe Hair, do know that you can use Afterpay. Yes, you can do Afterpay. You can make 4 easy low payments on this unit, Starting off with the first payment, and the wig will be in your hand, okay? You cannot beat that. I will be sure to leave a direct link to LuvMe hair in my description box, as well as all the specs. So if you want to know the length and the density and everything like that, check the description box. And of course, I'm going to leave a link to this hair, right? Let me know your thoughts down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.